Hello everyone. So today we are going to implement picking up weapons after killing an enemy. So as you can see, this enemy character have a rifle and a revolver and an RPG, but I don't have any weapon. So let me throw a grenade and kill him. Right, now I can go over there, no need to crouch, pick up his weapons, load his weapons. See, now I have the weapons. Everything is working. Alright, so let's see how to implement this weapon pickup or loading enemies today. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for your support. Right, so the weapon pickup system works like this. This is the AK blueprint, and if I go to the parent class of the guns, this is the base BP gun class, and here we have this player detector, and this is actually a collider, and I have make it disabled visibility, so because we don't need to see this. But if I enable this, I should be able to see that in the game world like this. See, now when in the player's hand also, right, let's keep the visibility, let's disable this hidden in game, so in the game also we should be able to see that. See, now these boxes represents the colliders of each car, right? And the problem is, if I go near another character, I get that option, press E to pick up whatever is gun, like this. See, now if I swap, now that gun is attached to my character, but the other character is actually shooting. So we should first prevent that. Then after that we should let's implement a way to pick up the gun once I killed the other character. So how can we do that? Okay, so first, this player detector. Here we should make this not interactable when this gun is equipped by another character, when the gun is in the hand of another character. So how can we do that? So this is where we add default weapons. So here we are calling this swap gun. Where is this implemented? Here we should call whatever this gun, and we should disable its interactability. So set interactable using BPI gun, we should disable it. So once any character picks up a gun, it will not be interactable anymore, so that if I go near the other character, I will not get that notification. See, now I don't get that notification to pick up that gun. Okay, but once I shoot him down, I should get that, and I don't. But that's what we should do now. we should enable it. When a character drop a gun, we should enable its interactability again. I think I have drop weapon, yeah, here. Now here we can, we have this set simulated physics, so maybe after a while we should disable that, or we can keep the physics simulation, but for the performance it would be better. Let's have a delay like, I don't know, 3 seconds, and then stop physics simulation so that the gun will stop moving by colliding with other objects, etc. Set simulate physics false, and after that I'll set the gun interactable again. Then after shooting down an enemy, I should be able to pick up his gun. Let's try that. Right. Oh. Picking up didn't work. Now it did. Not sure what happened there. Wait. How come this gun went over here? Oh, now this gun is over here. Okay, it is buggy. Right. This gun is detached from the root of the gun blueprint, so that's why it doesn't come into my hand. See, when I shoot, I can see it shooting, but it's not in my hand. Right. So how to fix that? Well, yes, swap or pickup gun. Yeah, raise the function. Start interaction. Here, okay. So when we start simulating physics, the gun mesh is detached from this default scene root, so we should reattach it. Gun mesh, attach component to component. And as the parent, we can choose the default scene root. And here, what if I just snap to target? Right, shall I check now? Oh, what's happening? I'm not sure what is happening. Alright, right. So here we should also disable the collisions for the gun mesh as well. For that we have to go back to the place where we drop weapon. Here we set the collision profile to block all. By default it is, I think, no collision. Yeah, so get the gun mesh, set collision enabled to no collision. Right. We have a nasty recoil effect because of that. I can't, it's really hard to shoot. That is something I need to fix. I need to work on. Right. Now it is working, but then again this gun stays in the air, so that's a problem. So how can we solve that? Right. When we swap a gun, we change the gun in the hand location to the other gun's position. So, right, maybe we should do this. Here, before we reattach, where do we reattach? Here, before we reattach, we should set the world location of the gun mesh root into this gun's location, so that the next time when I try to swap another gun with that gun, the gun that is already in the hand will go to that location this gun already was. So let me get some space, set actor location, and as the location, can get the gun mesh world location, use it. Now let's try. Okay, let's try now. Cool. Now it works alright. See? And also the gun ammo count is also updated for the weapon in the enemy's hand as well. Alright, now I think we should disable this collider's visibility. We don't need to see that anymore. Okay, so what about other weapons? When a character dies, those weapons that is attached to the character, it does make sense to drop the weapon that is already in the hand, but for other weapons they should remain attached to the character. So let me add few more guns, a revolver for the secondary, and an RPG as the special weapon. What would happen to those? Right, I can pick up the AK. It's only AK. Okay, so when a character dies, for other weapons also we should enable the interactability. How can we do that? Character. Right, this is where we spawn the blood decal. Okay. Right, so this would be a good position to enable interactability of other weapons. So let me enable weapon interactions. So we have guns details here for values. Let's run a for each loop for this. If this is not equal to the current weapon, then we should make that interactable. Set interactable. The reason I am not setting this, not setting the current weapon as interactable is because it is already handled through the drop weapon part. And upon completion we can exit. Now I think I should be able to. Oh, I died. Okay. I only get an AK. Why? Maybe we should start without a primary weapon so that we can pick up the AK, and also we can test if other weapons. Oh wait, I have used the wrong interface. Set interactable. we should call it using this PPI gun. Enable. Right, now it should work, but for the player, let me start with only one weapon, or maybe without a weapon, without any weapon. So we can throw a grenade and hit the other guy. AKO. Revolver, alright. RPG, okay. Okay, so when we pick up, that local location is not set properly. Right, so right, I think I know where to fix that. Here, when we attach location role, I think I have a unequipped transform, this one. After attaching, we should set this. Maybe with the move component too. Right, now it works properly. Great. So yeah. Oh, what happened? All right. Wait, we should test it again. Not sure what happened. Throw grenade. Pick up. Right, I think I know what happened. So this drop weapon is called again when I shoot at this character again. So I think this kill character part is calling once again, even if the character is already dead from the grenade. So where is drop? Here. Death happens here. So this should I think I should have a do once. Yeah. Oh, we already have. No. To handle death, we need to have a do once. Oh, wait, we already have one. But I think, is this not the same macro I'm calling when the character dies from explosion? On fire hit. Here also we do call damage, which is essentially the same, but maybe since this is a macro, this is not working as intended. Right. So how to fix that? Yes, that is the problem. These two ones will not, since this is inside a macro, it's sort of considered as two separate places of code, not like the same event, not like we are using the same event. So we can't rely on do once for this case. But what if we put these parts, dismembering, drop-in weapon, also inside this kill character? Now let's try that. Explosion source. Yeah, maybe only this ragdoll will start and drop weapon part, or maybe just the drop weapon part also would be enough. Yeah. Let me cut this and find references, go to kill character here. Now these do once will be applied because this is in this event implemented. Okay, go. See, now even if I shoot at the character again, my weapon in the hand is not dropping. Okay, so I think we can stop this episode right here. Right, so thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page, and I will continue to improve this template and add one more features in future episodes as well. Thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Goodbye.